Last night we had some really bad storms come through Ada, and we are all safe and our home is safe. There's a lot of damage in town and south of town, but we had a lot of damage to pens. This over here is our goat pen. Thankfully, the goats, we knew the weather was coming, so we left them together in the little house, and they're both safe and good. So there's Clove and Mama. Hi, Clove and Lily. But yeah, the barn has flipped up upside down, and this was even anchored in. So man, that wind was crazy. Well, hello. I know you don't like it, but I'm so glad you're safe. I know you're a little grumpy, but safe is good. We're gonna get your buckets cleaned out and get you some fresh food, but you're all safe and sound. Yes. Up here we're dealing with a couple of pens that flipped over. These rabbits are okay, and this rabbit pen is fine. We're trying to get this one at least back up where we can get the birds out.
Alright, now step away because it's going to fall again.
This is Brownie's cage. He is safe though, and he's inside. Brownie is one of Michaela's show rabbits. We're getting the silkies out of here, and we're putting them over here for now.
Give up.
We still have to catch one that got out, but oh, these poor guys went on a wild ride last night. This is Michaela's silkies. Thankfully, her show silkies are both, the good ones are both intact, and her rooster's still intact, so we still have a breeding program. This is just a temporary pen because it's not big enough really for them. But for now, this will be a safe place for them to be until we can get something else worked up. Our main chicken coop over here just has a little bit of damage, but it looks overall like it fared well. Good morning, y'all. How are you? Was it a wild night? Are y'all ready to get out of there? Okay, let's go. They're not too sure. They're slow to get out this morning. Oh, here they go. There we go. Everybody's going to free range. Darcy is still apprehensive and still watching over everything. Oh, but his ladies are gone, so I bet he's out soon. Other than that, I mean, we lost one chicken. And with the damage, I mean, I guess I'm glad that it was just one chicken. The house is fine, and most of the structures are fine. So, yeah, that's just a quick update for y'all. Hope everybody else around here, if you're in Oklahoma, hope y'all stayed safe last night. Welcome to storm season.